Hello everyone, welcome to the Truck Driver Guy, welcome to my channel guys, thank you for watching my videos. In this video guys, I will talk about how you can make more money as a company driver. One of the videos that I've made, I've been talking about different principles, different rules, different regulations, different ideas on this topic, but this video I will just make it quick and easy guys, because not a lot of you guys can watch the video for the long time. So anyways, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment below if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, and let's start. So principle number one, I put it as a principle number one in this particular video, is stress less. Because when you stress less, you improve your health, you eat less. When you stress less, your life is just easier overall guys. So just do your best. I know it's not I know it's very difficult in trucking industry to stress less, but do your best, stress less, and it will improve your ability overall. It will improve your life overall. Number two guys, build up your trucking skills and endorsements. For example guys, like if you're a new truck driver, or if you're experienced truck driver, on your CDL there is an endorsements. For example, you can have tankers, double tankers, different kind of endorsements. So by having that, you will automatically have the opportunity to increase your income, because I will tell you number three, adapt to the market needs. For example, if reefer will pay more than dry van, you can ask your company to do reefer, or you can, I don't know, switch the company. I don't know, maybe you're an owner operator, or it's up to you. But again, for example, car hauler, if you would do car hauling, or let's say if you would do like let's say car hauling, for example, right? If car hauler can make you twice more money overall, this is one of the ways how you can make more money in trucking as a company truck driver. After that guys, number four, you can always ask for a raise. Ask for the raise. Be, don't shy. Not many companies will like it. Probably nobody will like it, but still, you're a truck driver, you can ask for the raise. It will never hurt if you ask for the raise. And the last one, not the least one, find a best trucking company that pays the best. Do your research, find best paying trucking companies. Sometimes for the same job you can find better paying trucking company that will actually help you succeed in trucking industry. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Like I said, I made this video super short, so you guys, if you guys wanna watch my full video about it, I've made a presentation, I've made a video, I did a lot of research for over an hour. You guys can go find my video. It's actually main video on my channel. Watch this video, feel free to comment if you have any questions, subscribe, follow. Thank you guys, God bless, and keep on trucking. Bye guys.